Addition of integers. The rules are when we're adding same signs, that is when we're adding two negative numbers, or when we're adding two positive numbers. It's the same rule. So what we do is we keep the sign and we add numbers. So with same sign is easy. We just keep and add, keep and add. When we're dealing with different signs, when we adding different signs, such as a negative and a positive, when we adding these two, we keep the sign of the greater number. And then we'll subtract the actual numbers. So with different signs, with different signs, we keep the sign of the greater number and we'll subtract. So let's try some few examples. Let's have -5 plus -2. Those are same signs. They have a different sign. -7 plus 9. Okay, to make it really easy, I'm going to be writing the greater number first. So 5 is greater than 2. So I'm going to write 5 first. I'm going to write 5. And I'm going to write 2. And what's the sign of 5? A negative sign. What's the sign of 2? A negative sign. So let's have a sign and the number. So according to the rules, we keep, when the signs are the same, we keep and add. So we keep the sign and we add. 5 plus 2, which is 7. So the answer is -7. When the signs are different, remember we're trying to write a greater number first. So we're going to write 9 and 7. What was the sign of 9? A positive number. What was the sign of 7? A negative number. So the rule is we keep the sign of the greater number and we'll subtract the numbers. So we're going to subtract 9 minus 7. And we're going to circle the greater number, which is 9. And what's the sign? The positive sign. So your answer is going to be a positive number. So 9 minus 2 is 2. So that's positive 2. So the answer is 2. Let's try a few more. -9 plus 6, -8 plus 2, -7 plus -2, -1 plus -6. To the location. So I'm going to copy the number. So we have 9. I'm going to copy the greater number first. We have 9 and 6. What's the sign of 6? 6 is a positive number. What's the sign of 9? 9 is a negative number. So we have the sign and the number. So according to the different signs, we need to circle the greater number or highlight. So the greater number is 9. So our answer will have a negative sign. We're going to subtract the numbers 9 minus 6, which is 3. So the answer is -3. Next one. Then write the signs to the left and the numbers to the right. We'll start by writing the greater number. Write 8 and then 2. The sign of 8 is a negative sign and 2 is a positive sign. Remember, different signs, we keep the sign of the greater number. We're going to keep the sign and we're going to subtract the numbers. So 8 minus 2 and sign is negative. So 8 minus 2 is 6. The answer is -6. We have 2 negative numbers. We have signs, numbers. Start by writing the greater number anyway. Right, 7, 2. They both have the same sign. We are adding. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and we keep the sign. That's a negative number. So that's -9. Let's draw the last one. Signs, numbers. We have 6 and we have 1. They are both negative. We add 6 plus 1 and we keep one of the signs. So that will be -7. I hope you're not tired. Let's try a few more. And this time we'll try to do it very quick. -7 plus 3. 7 minus 9. -9 plus -2. 3 plus -8. Okay. Different signs. Remember 7 and 3. Which sign do we keep? The negative signs, because 7 is greater than 3. What do we do now but subtract? 7 minus 3 is 4. The signs to the numbers. Remember, write the greater one first. So 9 is 7. There's no sign, it means 7 is positive. The negative sign. Which one is greater? 9. What's the sign? Oh, the final sign is going to be negative. We'll subtract 9 minus 7. That's 2. The sign, the numbers. You write 9 first, then 2, opposite sides negative, we add it. That's 11, we keep the sign. So the answer is negative 11. The sides, numbers. We keep right 8 and 3. 8 is negative, 2 is positive. 8 is greater, so our sign is going to be a negative number. We're going to subtract 8 minus 3 is 5. I hope this helps. Practice more and it's going to be real easy. Thank you and watch out for more.